Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on system vibration in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to sounds and vibration. After that scroll down again and then go to system vibration. And that's it. Now here you can see 5 options: touch vibration, dialing keypad vibration, keyboard vibration, charging vibration, and navigation vibration. If you want to enable your system vibration, then you have to just enable this option from here. Just tap here and that's it. Now your system vibration has been turned on successfully. At the top you can also find a slider which is system vibration intensity slider. And by removing this slider you can adjust your vibration intensity and you can set any level as you want, and that's it. And that is how you can turn on system vibration in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.